Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are watching from. Welcome to Ugandan Kitchen in another video. So in today's recipe, we are drying up jackfruit, turning it into a healthy snack that you can literally enjoy with your family and loved ones. We are going to be using an oven, but you can use a dehydrator, you can use a solar, you can just take it under the sun depending on the weather. It's a common fruit in Uganda that has a pulp that you can eat like the way it is, or you can just make jelly jam chutney out of it. You can also use the seeds, just roast them and then you have them. They are really nice as well. We use the leaves for other medicinal purposes. We use the tree itself, so literally the whole tree is so beneficial. So that is how it looks like. You can literally tell that it is ripe. Some people can tell by the smell. Some people, you just have to check. You cut a little piece just to see the color inside, and once you see that yellow, it implies it is ripe, or at times it can be in an orange color. So when you are cutting it, make sure that you oil your hands and also the knife, because it has that sticky sap that gets all over the other things. And also make sure that you line with something, where you're cutting it from, you line with like a paper, such that all that sticky sap does not get on your like your tile, on your floor in your kitchen. So at this rate, you preheat your oven at 90 degrees Celsius as you cut the jackfruit. On the other side, your oven is preheating. So like you can see there, that is how it looks like inside. It is so yummy. You can see that it is still firm. It is still nice. That make sure that you do not use an overripe jackfruit for this recipe. So that is how it looks like after we have removed the seeds, after we have cleaned it all, and it is really so yummy. Like, it is so appetizing. So here I get a non-sticky pan and start dividing it into small pieces, because some are big and some are small. So we try to bring about a balance such that they are all even, they are all of the same size, and you line them on a baking tray. If you are using a non-sticky pan, you don't need to use a baking paper, but if you are using a sticky pan, then put a baking paper before adding your jackfruit. So that is how we do it. And at this rate already, your oven is preheating at 90 degrees Celsius. And once you are done, you transfer the jackfruit into the oven, into the middle of the oven, and let it bake. Once it clocks 1 hour, you get to watch your jackfruit. You keep an eye on it such that it does not end up turning into golden. Our aim is to make sure that we bake it until it is dry and it has that nice brown color. At this rate, if you as well want to spice up your jackfruit, you can literally add some seasoning on it and you are good to go, and you bake until you have it brown like that. Of course, we have a little bit of the golden ones. Remember, I told you the sizes aren't equal. Like you can see, some are big, some are too small. So yeah, some ended up turning golden while others were just browning. So yeah, this is what we have. You can literally just pick out the good ones. If you feel there are some that really need a little bit more time, you can just literally take them out in the sun for like 2 hours the next day or that very day, and you are good to go. If it is your first time on the channel, you are welcome. Kindly help me grow by subscribing, like, share, and leave a comment. Don't forget to click on the bell to turn on your notification to be notified whenever I post a new video. Follow me on Instagram and also on TikTok, Ugandan Kitchen. So this is how the jackfruit looks like. You can literally make powder out of it once we have dried it like the way it is. You can make powder out of it. You can add it in smoothies. You can add it on your desserts. You can prepare it and as a dish on its own, and you have it. It is really something that is yummy. You can make jam out of it. So you can really make lots of recipes out of the jackfruit. Let it cool and store it in an airtight container. It can go for a month and beyond as you enjoy it with your family and loved ones. Share with me in the comment section what are some of those jackfruit recipes that you love to prepare in your country. because it is one of the common fruits we have here in Uganda. It is relatively cheap compared to the other fruits. It is a juicy and sweet fruit when it is ripe, and make sure that you always have it when it is ripe. We enjoy it when it is still fresh, and yeah, so I hope you like the video. Like, share and subscribe. Most of the households have a tree in their backyard for jackfruit, so it is in most of the households. So like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell to turn on your notification to be notified whenever I post a new video. Until next time, thanks for watching.